Hello once again, this is KC Classic Cars. Today we have a beautiful 1979 Pontiac Trans Am WS6. It is a numbers matching 403 with a 3-speed automatic. It is a factory WS6 and has a copy of the build sheet that comes with it. It is in its original colors of cameo white with a red carmine red hobnail interior. And so we're going to let you take a look at this beautiful car, and if you have any interest, you can give us a call at 913-461-4890. Start with the engine. It's very, very clean and detailed. We've just replaced the radiator, the valve cover gaskets. We did some rewiring on the headlights so that they're all functioning properly, as well as the power window switches inside the car so that the power windows go up and down as they're supposed to. For all of you internet trolls who want to make a smart alecky comment, yes, I already realized that is a TA 6.6 sticker which goes with the 400. Normally the 403 would have the 6.6 liter sticker. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's move on for those who are truly interested in the car. Paint and body are absolutely excellent. There is zero rust on this car. The finish is gorgeous, smooth, with a high reflectivity. All body panels line up really, really nice. There is just, smooth all the way to the bottom. The WS6 wheels have been completely refinished and are like new condition with new center caps and lug nuts. The graphics package is all new. The paint is relatively new. Everything lays perfectly smooth, with the exception of a couple of, nicks here and there. The paint is just very, very nice. All the glass is nice, the tinted glass there. The power windows both work. It's got all the features you'd normally find on a WS6 Trans Am. All the emblems are really nice. The trim is really nice. There's a few little very shallow spider cracks on the front nose here that's really typical of these Trans Ams, but from 3 feet away you can't even tell they're there. The spats are all really nice, super clean, even on the back side, as you can see. Just a beautiful straight car, and this car comes with 40 years of maintenance receipts. You can see a little goober there, but other than that, the paint is excellent on this car. Go back here. As long as we got the trunk open, we'll open it. Very clean trunk, nice carpeted mat. The space saver spare with the inflator can. No rust on the floor. It's very, very clean underneath. Give you a quick view under here. Yeah, it's very nice. The car runs and drives excellent. The deluxe interior, beautiful color combination, beautiful hobnail cloth interior. Nice new carpet. Doors open and shut like they should. Does not sag. Everything lines up. New body side moldings. Just a beautiful, beautiful Trans Am. Really clean under the hood. Really clean. And I'll tell you what, if you're considering a second-gen Trans Am, take my advice and go with the hard top always. The T-tops are neat and they sound like fun, but let me tell you, they rattle. They make the car feel like a loose collection of parts flying down the road, and they will disappoint you in terms of the enjoyment of the car. Go with a hard top 10 times out of 10 is my advice. Nice blackout trim is specified on the build sheet. I'll just open this door real quick and just show you. Nice door panels, nice seats. Interior's in very nice condition overall. Like any car, they can use a few little plastic pieces here and there, just, you know, seatbelt cover plastic and it's just stuff like that. But otherwise, very, very nice, very clean, and the door jambs, everything done, new sill plates, the whole 9 yards. This car is very reasonably priced at $34,900, so it won't last long. All of my cars sell basically to the first person who comes and looks at them because they are high quality and they are what I say they are. So if you're interested in a beautiful 79 Pontiac TA WS6, give me a call, 913-461-4890. Thanks and have a great day.